Story of Prophet Muhammad.
Episode 2.
The early life of Prophet Muhammad.
Let's go.
Adam, are you still awake?
Yes, Dad, I'm still awake. I'm playing on my phone.
That's enough phone for today, Adam. You spent too much time on it, and it's already late. You need to sleep now so we can wake up early to pray Salat al-Fajr.
Okay, Dad, but please, can you tell me a story before I sleep?
What do you think about continuing the story of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Yes, Dad, please continue the story for me. We finished last time the early life of Prophet Muhammad.
All right. Listen carefully, my lovely son.
Once upon a time, long ago, in the peaceful city of Mecca, there lived a very special boy named Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He did not have many toys or riches, but Allah filled his heart with kindness, honesty, and love. Everyone who saw him felt calm and happy. When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was still a young boy, he worked as a shepherd. Each morning, he walked through the quiet hills with his sheep. He watched them carefully, protected them from danger, and gently guided them home. As the sun rose and set, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam learned to be patient, gentle, and caring. Allah was teaching him important lessons through this simple work. As he grew older, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on a long journey with his dear uncle Abu Talib. They traveled across the desert on camels, under the bright sun and the shining stars, all the way to Seerah. On the journey, they stopped near a small monastery where a wise monk noticed something amazing. A cloud followed Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, giving him shade, and the trees seemed to bend toward him. The monk knew these were signs of a boy chosen by Allah and advised Abu Talib to protect him, so they returned safely to Mecca. When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam became a young man, everyone in the city knew him for his beautiful manners. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved kindness and fairness. He helped the poor, stood up for those treated badly, and avoided fighting. When others argued or became angry, he chose calmness and peace. A noble and kind woman named Khadija, may God be pleased with her, heard about his honesty and asked him to trade for her. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did his work with great care and returned with success. Impressed by his truthfulness and gentle heart, Khadija later married him, and they shared a loving and peaceful home filled with respect and care. When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 35 years old, the Kaaba was damaged by heavy rain. The people of Mecca rebuilt it together, but when it was time to place the black stone, everyone argued and anger grew. At last, they agreed to let the first man who arrived decide. When Muhammad appeared, they smiled with relief and said, "This is Al-Amin." With wisdom, he placed the stone on a cloth and asked each group to lift it together. Then he gently placed it in its spot. Peace returned, and everyone was happy. And so, even before he became a prophet, Allah was preparing Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Oh, Dad, our Prophet Muhammad is truly a great personality. I wish to be like him one day.
So Adam, I want you always to be like Prophet Muhammad. Always tell the truth. Be kind to everyone. Be fair.
I will always doing my best to be like him, inshallah.
Good night, my lovely son Adam. And so tomorrow, we will continue. Happy dreams, honey.
Story of Prophet Muhammad.